Brigade is a man, the is very this one a casco. See this boy now just enter inside gutter. If not the people they are place now to rescue him, eh? No problem. So this rainy season we have to be cautious for ourselves as we walk out for the side road. Those are where they do gutter put. Most of them are not covered there. We could take note where. You understand? Let us be our brother's keeper. Sexy baby, God bless us. Be careful.
They see in trousers. My fear now, making the course of doing this, may one of them no can go enter this gutter. Because now so this kind matter they be. Hey! Jesus. Jehovah, which kind of problem did this one? I think somebody is raising him.
Yes.
That's in hand. That's in hand. With his eye.
Imagine if they wait again.
Now this guy go say in son near death with his eye. How they go think talk this kind of story?
You might don't fly low.
Exactly. You don't go know. Make it sit down. Bro, sit down, make you rest.
The leg no being get them again.
No, that leg don't condemn.
Ah, yeah.
Hey! What's in my leg? What's in my leg? You just stand inside that box. Initially, when I hear Ifunanya shout, at least maybe like this Alabella pole way for.